Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show a very tasty pickle recipe. It's a carrot dates pickle. For those people who love to have pickles with anything and everything, this is a must try recipe. I tried it with different rice and biryani. It did taste delicious. A special thanks to my brother who recommended this recipe to me. So let's start. Here I have taken 6 tablespoons of gingerly oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 4 red chilies, curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of garlic. It's split into small thin pieces, 2 tablespoons of ginger. It's cut into small pieces, 6 green chilies cut into circles, and the spices are half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder, and half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Here I have taken 15 dates. The seed is removed and cut into thin narrow slices, and I've taken 1.5 cups of boiled water. Out of that, half cup is poured into the dates, which softens the dates and it helps to cook it easily. And there are 6 carrots here, about 400 gram. It's cut into thin narrow slices, and 1 cup of vinegar. Now let's see how to make it. Keep a pan, heat it. When it's hot enough, add the gingerly oil we have taken. When the oil is hot enough, add the mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon. Add the red chilies, curry leaves. After about 1 minute, add the green chilies, garlic and ginger. Keep the flame in medium, otherwise the ginger will get burned and the taste will be spoiled. So be careful about keeping in a medium heat. After about 1 to 2 minutes, we have to add the spices. I'm going to add the turmeric, the red chili powder, the hing, and also the fenugreek powder. Should be very careful not to burn these spices because it will totally spoil the taste of the pickle. So keep it in a low heat and mix everything together. Now we are going to add the dates. Add the dates. Mix everything together. Here I am going to add half of the vinegar we have taken. Mix it. Add enough salt. Keep the lid and cook for 1 minute. Now we are going to add the carrot. Mix them well. Add more salt if you want. Pour the rest of the boiled water. Keep the lid and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to add the rest of the vinegar. Keep open and cook for another 2 minutes, and our pickle is ready now. Thanks for watching.